Good morning class. So now today we are going to do the next topic in series, and that is our poem. The name of the poem is A Minor Bird. What is the name of the poem? A Minor Bird. And this poem is written by who is the writer? Robert Frost. He is actually a very famous writer, a very famous poet. Okay. So today what we will do? We will do question answers of this poem. Okay. Book exercises, remaining things we have already done. So this is the time to do question answers. Alright. So E parts answer the following questions. Okay, in it now we will do question number 1. What is question number 1? Who is the poet? Who is the poet of the poem? As I have written and told before. So who is the poet? Robert Frost. Okay. Who, in place of who we will write the name? Robert Frost. Robert Frost is the poet of the poem. This is answer number 1. Alright. Now answer number 2. Now question number 2 we will have. Question is, why was the poet irritated? Why was the poet irritated? So this is question number 2. Answer: as he heard a bird singing, he was irritated just because of the sound. Just because of the sound. Okay. Next, third question. That's, what did the poet do to solve the problem? What did the poet do to solve the problem? This is question number 3. Its answer. Question number 3. Its answer. What he has done? Yes. So he clapped. C-L-A-P-P-E-D. Clapped his hands. He clapped his hands at the bird. To shook it. Right? So this is answer number 3. Now question number 4. What did the bird used to do? What did the bird used to do? So its answer we will write. The bird used to chirp. the bird used to chirp. This is sing, right? At the door. All right, so this chirp, the sound which is made by the bird, is called chirp or sing. Okay, the bird used to chirp at the door. The word sing you will write in brackets. All right, now question number 5, last one. What is the meaning of key in the poem? Okay, so its answer number 5. Here it means the aim of bird's life. Aim of bird's life. Full stop. As nature has allotted the bird, okay, or all the birds, okay, birds to sing. This we are using in common, okay, all the birds, the bird to sing comma, so the same task the bird is doing. So the same task the bird is doing. Full stop. It was not singing. It was not singing. It was not singing. So it was not singing. It was not singing to. So I'll turn the page. It was not singing to irritate. It was not singing to irritate the poet. Full stop. One thing you have to keep in your mind while doing all these things, handwriting should be very neat and clean. All right, keep on just focus on the word what you are writing, and there should not be any mistake in writing too. Okay, to irritate the poet, full stop. It's her nature. It's her nature to do so. So basically that was actually the task which the nature has given to a bird. That is why the bird was singing at the door of the poet. Okay, it was not her intention to irritate the poet, but still, as the bird was singing, and it was just because of that author or the poet was burdened. He was living a very burdened life and having so many responsibilities. He got irritated. Okay, so this was all about the question answers of this poem. I hope the things will be clear. complete the work in your notebook, and if having any query, any doubt, then you can ask. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Just keep on completing your work. Thank you.